Hi everyone, this is Susanna from CollegeMapper.com, and this is a video about weighted GPAs. So first up, what is a weighted GPA? A weighted GPA means that you get an extra point when we calculate the average of your grades. You get an extra point for AP class or an IB class if you're hand calculating a weighted GPA, an extra point for a college class, and half an extra point for an honors class or an advanced class. So when you're calculating your GPA, you take the law of averages. You get typically 4 points for an A, 3 for a B, 2 for a C, 1 for a D, and nothing for an F. You add all of the grades up on that scale that I just said for that semester or that term, and then you divide by the number of items you added up. Okay, so it's a basic law of averages. So you're calculating a basic average, all right? But when you're calculating a weighted GPA, you get an extra point if you took AP, IB, or college class, and an extra half point for an honors. An advanced is sort of in a gray area, but I'd probably put it in the half point category. So if your school calculates a weighted GPA, this is something you never need to do, because the school does it for you. It's going to be on the transcript. If the school doesn't do it for you, you should do it yourself, because the Common Application allows you to list it. Now, if your school is sending the transcript, which it will, that has your official unweighted GPA on there, and then you yourself are calculating your weighted GPA and listing that on the Common App, and then the colleges are going to know that you calculated that, because they'll see your official transcript, and your official transcript will have an official unweighted GPA on it. And then you've submitted a weighted GPA on the Common App. They will know that you calculated that yourself. But the colleges can choose which of those two numbers they would like to use. So I think it's to your advantage to offer them both. On the back end, during college admissions reading of files anyway, they typically recalculate kids' GPAs. So this is all sort of up to them. It's completely up to them what they do with your GPA when they receive it. So I think it's to your advantage to list it, because you're giving them a bigger number and they can choose which one to use. And you should do this. You should calculate your weighted GPA, sure, sophomore year, junior year. You can do it right on my website, CollegeMapper. There's a GPA weighter calculator on there. And then you should report it on the Common Application or any college application that allows it. Some college applications specifically say no weighted GPAs, please. So if you have any more questions about your weighted GPA, just post them in the forum. I'm very happy to answer them. And you can create a personalized timeline to prepare for, select, and apply to university right on my website, CollegeMapper.com. Take care. Yay, college.